Welcome to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, guys. The country and the city what always have a special place in my heart because I met my wife Winnie here in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. Also, I proposed to her. Next upcoming few weeks, I'm gonna show you all around Malaysia, guys. Also, Malaysia is the first country where I visited in my life in Asia continent. So once again, so many sentimental things in this country. Also, Kuala Lumpur is great place for living, so I'm gonna talk about that more in the upcoming days. Malaysia and Kuala Lumpur is one of the fastest developing cities and countries in Southeast Asia, guys. Also, there is the home for the multi-ethnicity people from all around living here, but the majority of the people in Malaysia, they are Malay people, Indian people and Chinese people, guys. And also very interesting fact is, as Malaysia and Kuala Lumpur especially is the home for the biggest expat community in the Southeast Asia, guys. Unbelievable. Maybe not many of you guys knew that, but you will be really impressed about Malaysia country, guys. And of course, currently I'm in KLCC at the front of the Petronas Twin Towers, and this is like a huge city park. It's called also Surya KLCC. This is the place where me and Winnie used to like to spending the time when we were still dating and stuff, you know, guys. But also this is one of the most famous popular landmarks of Malaysia and Kuala Lumpur itself. Also the Petronas Towers, they are the tallest towers, twin towers in the world. And also, very interesting fact, Malaysia have under the construction, but they're gonna finish very soon, the second tallest building in the world, guys. It's called Merdeka 118 or Merdeka 118. It's gonna have 680 meters high and 118 stories, as the name is saying itself. And this is how it looks inside the Surya KLCC mall. You can find so many fancy brands here. This is the lobby of the Twin Towers. And long time ago, back to 2017, 2018, Malaysia was holding Formula 1 racing Grand Prix. Unfortunately, currently no more, but it's gonna come back in the near future for sure. Whoa. You're gonna be with me on the YouTube. How are you, man?
Okay, good, sir.
He's selling very nice lens. Yeah. Show to the people how beautiful picture you're gonna make with the lens. Check this out, so cool. I'm not gonna make it by myself like this, but with the lens for sure. Okay,
where you come
good
from?
luck. I'm from Poland in Europe.
Yeah,
Where are you coming from, my friend?
I'm from here, sir.
From Malaysia?
Yeah, Malaysia.
What city? What city?
Huh?
What city in Malaysia?
Kuala
Lumpur. God bless, my friend. So this is it. That's how it looks. How the Twin Towers look like from the bottom. They are actually pretty high indeed. So cool to be here, guys. Also, this guy is so friendly. And this is the best spot for the pictures where all the people are. Thank you so much. Where all the people coming to making pictures with this one, with the towers like this one. Actually, pretty impressive indeed. And also they're selling the lensa like this one, yo. So cool. This is how you do it as the pro. In case if you wanna have a professional picture for your Instagram. Check this out, how the queue is so long going to the bus. I'm looking for the MRT station, actually not sure where is it. Also a little bit forgot how it was, but the queue is so long. Crossing the street in Kuala Lumpur center, guys. Heading now to the center, gonna have some shawarma and then I'm gonna come back for the night light festival. Just arrived to the Kuala Lumpur city center and it looks very busy for me. Like, check this out, the big city life. It's so cool. The area over here, it's called Bukit Bintang. You can very easily get here by LRT or MRT. And this is like Kuala Lumpur center, I could say. So much is going around. Check this out, guys. It's actually really busy. And I think this is like a Turkish ice creams because, as I said, people from all around the world have businesses in Malaysia. It's very easy to open the business in Malaysia, by the way. It's Wednesday afternoon, like 7 something. It's very busy. Check this out, guys. And here we go, one of my favorite food in the world, and especially in Malaysia. Beautiful shawarma. Check this out, the size and the quality. Check this out. I'm gonna order very soon. Here we go. The name, if you're interested, let's see. Seems like actually quite busy because so many people actually waiting outside and making orders. So that looks, it's a great place to try. Simply one of the best shawarma and kebabs in Malaysia. Yo, how you doing, brother? All good?
All good, good. You?
How's the business? Better?
Good, good.
You look so hot.
Yeah, it's so hard. Already look at my face.
Take care. So the best kebab in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, guys. Come and check this out. You're not gonna regret, for sure. Also, I'm gonna tell you one secret. Winnie, long time ago, before she even knew me, she really liked to coming here, not just because of the lovely shawarma, either she liked it, but because she liked to flirt with these handsome guys. Little secret, love story, guys. Proper Arabic shawarma cooked by the Arabic people. Probably the best shawarma in full entire Asia where you can buy, because the authentic, the people who really know how to cook it, coming from these countries to Malaysia, to Kuala Lumpur, and they make it for you, $4 with the drink. The best. And this is Bukit Bintang city center, the biggest junction in Kuala Lumpur. I mean, maybe not the biggest, but it's very big, and this is my favorite area of Kuala Lumpur. I could hanging out here all days. Maybe after sunset time when it's already darker, because during daytime it's very hot in Kuala Lumpur, guys. I'm gonna go now to show you the light festivals in KLCC again. This is it. This is how the people in Kuala Lumpur enjoying their afternoons. This is just the middle of the week. It's Wednesday actually, and waiting for some show, because previously there was the shows over here. I'm not sure how is it now. I hope so. It's still like before. And here we go, it's starting. Enjoy, guys. Hi, sayang. How are you? Honey, look where I am right now. Look, look, look. Do you remember this place? Yes.
How time flies so quick. I'm in Malaysia.
Yeah.
And to eat nasi lemak.
Yes, nasi lemak, of course. I love you, sayang. I call you later, yeah?
I love you. Have a good day.
Okay, guys, that's it from me from today, first day in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. I hope so you already enjoy. In case if you already hooked up and you really want to come and visit Malaysia, I just want to tell you at the end, 90 days free visa on arrival is still very, very cheap and very friendly and very safe. You saw already as people are super friendly here in Malaysia. Also, I'm gonna stay here for full entire month, guys, so you're gonna have a lot of videos from Malaysia, approximately 30 every day at 4 p.m. local time, and I'm gonna explore the all continental Malaysia, Penang, Langkawi, Genting Highlands, Johor, Melaka, and so on, and many more, of course. So stay tuned. Tomorrow another day from Malaysia. I'm gonna show you something special as always. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow. See ya. Take care, guys.